Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals I grabbed over at Walgreens for the week. I was able to get all of these items, which is $100 in products, for just over $1. Of course, I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how I did that. I'm also going to show you two different scenarios for the spend $25, get $6 in Walgreens Cash Digital Booster. I had one that I did a scenario with. My mom's account also had one that I did a scenario with. I also had a paper booster for spend $35, get $8 in Walgreens Cash. So I'm going to show you a scenario for that one as well. A lot of announcements this morning, so stay with me. In my Walmart video last week, I was hosting a $20 gift card giveaway. So I will be announcing the winner here shortly. In that video, I asked you all, what videos do you want to see? What would you like me to talk about? So please know that I am going to be incorporating your suggestions in the future, but I am starting with one of those suggestions today. A lot of people said, please show me how to lower my out-of-pocket cost. So in the printable Google document for this video, I'm going to show you some super simple ways to use your Walgreens Cash to get items completely free as far as your out-of-pocket cost using your Walgreens Cash. You have to determine if those are good deals for you or not, but I am including those in the printable document. Let me know if you like that, because I can keep doing that each week if you enjoy seeing those breakdowns as well. Okay, so back to the giveaway. Because I hit 6,000 subscribers, I was giving away a $20 gift card. The winner of that gift card is Chrissy. So Chrissy, please shoot me an email at savingwithchristina@outlook.com. You have 48 hours to do so. So that's Tuesday, right around, let's say, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Shoot me an email. Let me know if you want a gift card to Walmart or Target, and I will get that sent to you. Now, when I get to 7,000 subscribers, you better believe I'm going to do another gift card giveaway. So keep supporting me. I will keep giving back to you guys. So let's get into these deals. So the first thing I want to tell you about is a super awesome clearance item that I found yesterday, and it was in store again this morning when I went. It's on this cran grape juice. This is the big one. It's 64 fluid ounces. It was on clearance for 39 cents. So if you know someone who likes juice or you want to make an awesome donation to your local food bank, 39 cents is a great stock up price on this. Okay, let's talk about a online order only. So this you could do as curbside. It's not going to work if you do it in the store. These Neutrogena Hydro Boost masks are priced at $2.99. I had a Just For You coupon for $3 off. So it takes off $2.99 when you are shopping online and checking out as a curbside order, making it completely free. Another one that you could do as a curbside only, again, it would not work in the store, is on this Colgate Cavity Protection. It's only $1.79, but the $2 digital is attaching to it, so it would take $1.79 off, making this completely free. Now, there is another Colgate deal, and this is how I chose to use that $2 coupon, was on a variety of Colgate products priced at $3.99. This week, they are buy two, get $4 in Walgreens cash back. So I bought a mouthwash at $3.99. I bought a Colgate toothbrush at $3.99. I had two different $2 digitals, one for the mouthwash, one for the toothbrush. So I paid $3.98 and I got back $4 in Walgreens cash, making it free and a 2-cent moneymaker. Now, again, I'm going to walk you through these individual deals and then I'll show you how I put it together for those bigger spend deals. Now, I grabbed this soft soap again this week. They are buy one, get one half off, as well as buy four, get $4 in Walgreens cash. So I purchased 4 of them. The price is $1.99, so 2 will ring up at $1.99. 2 will ring up half of that price. I also had a 75-cent digital coupon clipped to my Walgreens account, so I paid $5.21. I got $4 in Walgreens cash, making it $1.21 total, or just 30 cents each for these. Another super easy deal this week is on the All detergent, priced at $2.99. There's a $1 digital, making this just $1.99. I also thought that the Honey Nut Cheerios, which is kind of a favorite in my house, I thought this was a great price. They are on sale this week for $1.88, and there's a digital coupon for $1.50 off too. So when you purchase two, you will pay a total of $2.26 or $1.13 a box. I then grabbed this Airwick warmer. They are priced at $2.49 online. There was a $1.75 digital coupon, so I paid just 74 cents. But then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, where I got $1 back, making this free and a 26-cent moneymaker. If you're not already using Ibotta, grab it using my referral code, because when you scan that receipt, you're going to get an additional $10 back. I also have a complete tutorial on the Ibotta app if you're interested in seeing that. Another awesome Ibotta deal to do this week is on the Dove deodorant, the Dove Men Plus Care. They are on sale 2 for $11, okay? And I actually paid $11 at the register. There are a number of different rebates though. So I got back $2 for each of them on Ibotta. I got back $2 total on the Fetch Rewards app for buying two. And then I got back $4 in Walgreens cash for buying two. So when you add all of that cash back, it means I paid $1 total, or just 50 cents per deodorant. And with a sale price of 2 for $11, that's a fantastic deal. If you're not using Fetch Rewards yet, grab it using my referral code, because you're going to get an additional $2 back when you scan that receipt. And again, I have a full tutorial on the Fetch Rewards app as well, and I will drop a link to that tutorial down in the video description box below. Another rebate app deal is on these Werther's sugar-free caramels. These are priced 2 for $4 this week at Walgreens. There was a $1 digital coupon, so I paid $3 for these, but Swagbucks is currently giving $3 when you purchase two, making both of these completely free. I then grabbed these NYX eye pencils. They are $4.49 each, but they are buy one, get one half price, as well as buy two, get $2 in Walgreens cash. So $4.49 for two of them, minus the buy one, get one 50% off. So that's going to take off $2.24. I also had a $4 digital coupon. So I paid a total of $2.73 at the register, but I got $2 in Walgreens cash back, making it 73 cents for both, or just 36 cents each. And that's a great deal to add into a spend deal if you're trying to hit $25 or $35. That's a great one to add in. Now, how I chose to use my digital booster of spend 25, get $6 in Walgreens cash, as well as my paper booster for spend 35, get $8 in Walgreens cash. You can stack those. I enter my phone number at checkout. I handed my paper booster to the cashier. They scan that before they submit any of the digital coupons. But what I did is I grabbed 6 of these Olay body washes. They are on sale 2 for $12. Buy two, get $4 in Walgreens cash. So I bought 6 of them. That's a total of $36. I had a $5 digital and another $5 digital. So $10 came off at the register. That means my total was $26, and I did have to pay that $26. I did not have register rewards to reduce my out-of-pocket cost. If you had register rewards, manufacturer register rewards, you could use those to lower your out-of-pocket cost. I paid $26. I got back the $12 in Walgreens cash for buying 6 of these, so $4 for each pair. I got back $8 in Walgreens cash for spending $35 for that paper booster, as well as $6 in Walgreens cash for spending $25 on my digital booster, making All of these completely free. So awesome, awesome deal if you like the Olay body wash. Someone asked me in that Walmart video, tell me about the products that you've got couponing that you absolutely love. This Olay birch water and lavender, I love it, love it, love it. I think it smells so good. And I never would have purchased it had it not been a free deal years ago. Okay, let me tell you how I used my mom's spend $25, get $6 in Walgreens cash. So a totally different scenario. You can only do your digital booster one time, but I wanted to be able to show you a couple different ways to do that. So I purchased the Dove deodorant, 2 for $11, like I told you about. I purchased the 4 soft soaps. I purchased the all detergent. And the Colgate, these two here at $3.99 each. Okay, so my total for all of those products before coupons was $27.93. After my coupons came off, my total was $22.18. Paid that at the register, got back $6 for spending the $25 on that digital booster on mom's account. I got back the $4 in Walgreens cash for the Colgate. I got back the $4 in Walgreens cash for the Dove, the $4 on Ibotta for the Dove, the $2 back on Fetch for the Dove, and the $4 in Walgreens cash for the soft soap, making all of those items completely free and $1.82 moneymaker. So lots of different ways to mix and match these things depending on which digital booster you got. But again, all these products, just over $100 regular retail price, and my total out-of-pocket cost was just over $1, which was fantastic when all was said and done. Now, a couple of different deals I want to tell you about as far as Walgreens cash, and there are more on the printable document. But these Jif peanut butters are on sale 2 for $5 this week. You could use $5 in Walgreens cash and pay nothing out of pocket. The other deal that I saw, and this is cheaper if you do it as a curbside deal, is the Fruit Loops. So they are 2 for $5 online, but they're also buy one, get one free this week. So if you place it as a curbside order, you will pay $2.50 for both boxes, or just $1.25 per box, which is a great deal. You could use $2 in Walgreens cash, paying just 50 cents out of pocket for that. So again, however you want to do that, all of these deals, you can use Walgreens cash to pay, and you'll still get Walgreens cash back. The only deals you don't want to use Walgreens cash with is when you're doing the spend deal. So my spend booster, I would not want to pay with Walgreens cash on that. Otherwise, any of the deals, you can use your Walgreens cash and you're still going to get the Walgreens cash back. Please let me know what questions you have down in the comments. I am happy to help you guys. If you aren't following me over on Instagram, you can find me at Save with Christina, as well as over on my Facebook page, Saving with Christina. Thanks.